Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make an effective hand sanitizer that is even better than the store-bought ones. Because of this coronavirus, all of us have been rushing to buy hand sanitizers from the store, and we've been asked to use a lot of hand sanitizers to keep ourselves clean. Not all the hand sanitizers that you find in the store are effective. These kind of hand sanitizers are not very effective. So instead of wasting your money in buying these kinds of hand sanitizers, you can go for these alcohol based hand sanitizers. These are much more effective than the simple ones. From my college days, we used these alcohol based hand sanitizers whenever we were seeing patients, or even when we were assisting cases in the operation theatre. We always had these kind of alcohol based hand sanitizers around. So these are very effective. So if you can find these kinds of alcohol based hand sanitizers, then do buy it and use it. Usually, we are told not to use a lot of these alcohol based hand sanitizers because they have a tendency to wipe out the good bacteria also present in your hands. But in today's scenario with the coronavirus, it's very important that we use a very effective hand sanitizer. And when we go to the store, we find all the hand sanitizers missing or ridiculously priced. So we are going to see how to make a very simple and effective alcohol based hand sanitizer at home. To make this hand sanitizer, we need isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Usually this rubbing alcohol is available in all pharmacy, but nowadays due to the coronavirus it's not available anywhere. I got this from Amazon. If you want to buy it from Amazon, I'll leave the links in the description box. You can buy it from there. This isopropyl alcohol needs to be at least 70% or above. The one that I am using is 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. So whichever alcohol you buy, make sure it's at least 70% or above. Only then it will be effective. So along with this isopropyl alcohol, we are going to add aloe vera gel. You can use any brand of aloe vera gel, or you can use the natural aloe vera also if you have access to it. The reason why we use aloe vera is because the isopropyl alcohol, when you use it to rub your hands with it, it tends to dry out your hands. So to prevent your hands from drying out, you need to add a little bit of aloe vera. Now this third ingredient is very much optional. You can totally leave it out and still make a very good hand sanitizer. This is an essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you have. Here I have tea tree oil and peppermint oil. I am going to use a few drops of peppermint oil because peppermint has a natural antifungal and antibacterial property. So it's very effective. You can add this peppermint essential oil, but if you don't have it, you can leave it out. Or you can add lavender essential oil. That will make your hand sanitizer smell very nice. So let's start to make this hand sanitizer. Take a bowl and we'll add the isopropyl alcohol. We are going to add 3/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. So this is 3/4 cup of isopropyl alcohol. Add this into the bowl. And then we'll add the aloe vera gel. I am adding 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. Add the gel to the alcohol and mix it nicely. This itself is more than enough. This will make a very good and effective hand sanitizer. But because I have some essential oil lying around at home, I am going to add that also. I am using peppermint oil. Just a few drops of peppermint oil is more than enough. Add the essential oil and mix it again. So that's it. Our homemade hand sanitizer is ready to use. Take any clean bottle and fill your bottle with this hand sanitizer. Have a bottle in your bag and you can take it wherever you go. This will come in very handy. Of course, the best thing to kill the virus is soap and water. But if you don't have access to soap and water, then this is the next best thing. Whenever you want to use it, Just pour out a generous amount of this hand sanitizer onto your hands and rub it well, and your hands will be very clean. So I hope this video was useful to you. A very simple and effective homemade hand sanitizer. Until next time, bye bye.